In this video, I'll share how to make a glowing watermark on Capcut for PC to protect your video copyright. First, import the video materials. Click on Text at the upper left corner. Import the default text. There are two ways to create a glowing watermark by modifying the text name. The first method allows you to change the color of the text and the intensity of the glow here, as well as the range of the glow. The second method. Let's add another piece of text. Modify the name of the text. Modify the artistic font style in the template, such as this one. Or this one. Or this. This one. Yes, they can all create glowing watermarks. Finally, take a look at the effects of these two types of glowing watermarks.